Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, we're going to do sweet and sour pork. Now, I've done sweet and sour pork several times before on the channel, but this is a super fast, super easy method. It tastes absolutely delicious, and believe me, anyone can make this. Really easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using for this one today. So, pork. I've got pork leg. I've got that cut into nice thick strips. You can cut it thinner if you want. Onion, white onion. Bell peppers. I've got green, yellow and red in there. Give it a nice colour just near the end. Garlic, ginger. Tomato ketchup. Honey. I'm using honey. If you wanted, you could be using sugar. Baking soda. Vinegar. Cornstarch. And a light soy sauce. All of the amounts that you need are in the text below. This is super easy. So we've got a mixing bowl here. I've got my pork in there and I've got my sexy glove on. As you can see, the pork's cut into nice thick strips. Like I say, you can, if you want, cut it thinner. But first of all, we're going to put some black pepper on this. And don't be shy with your black pepper. We're then going to add that baking soda. Some cornstarch. We're not adding all of our cornstarch. We're going to add about half of it. The rest of it we're going to use maybe to thicken the sauce a bit later on. And the light soy sauce, we're going to add that in now. Sexy glove time. We're going to give that a little mix around, and then we go straight to the cooker and we're going to fry this off. It will take no time now. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a pan of some sort. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil for this. And we're going to grab our pork, we're going to drop this in, and we're going to cook for about 4 minutes on a very high heat. Keep it moving. Okay, so really high heat. As you can see, we've got some lovely colour on this now. Keep it on this very high heat. We're now going to drop in our onion, our garlic and our ginger. A little bit more black pepper. Maximum heat all the way now. In go our bell peppers. Now we want a nice crunch on all of this, okay? Look at the colour we're getting on that beef now. Sorry, the pork now. Wonderful. Okay, we're now going to add a little bit of water. Then we're going to add the vinegar, the ketchup, and here I've got the honey, or if you wanted you could be using sugar. Get that in there. Very simply, we're going to give this a mix, keeping it on this really high heat. We're going to let this go for 2 minutes. Keep it stirring, keep it moving all the time now. Fantastic. Now it's a little bit watery. If you want to make it kind of more thicker, of a nice glaze, that's where we're going to use the other bit of corn flour or cornstarch in a solution. Just some water in there. Just mix that in and then just get a little bit in. I'm also just going to add a little pinch of salt into the mix. And as the heat goes through this cornstarch, you'll see it thicken. So you can get it as thick or as thin as you like. Can you see that happening now? Just starting to thicken up. If you wanted, you could add a little bit of fresh chili to this. Look at that, really coming together now. Off goes the heat. 2 green onions, or spring onions, whatever you call them. One final mix and you've got yourself a really tasty sweet and sour pork that took no time at all. That really is going to be delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Sweet and sour love.